welcome to my channel. Today's video is very exciting video for me. I mean, I say that pretty much every video or most of my videos, but I am excited to do these videos. But anyways, today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. And I created this look with this new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. It's a gorgeous palette. I just created a makeup look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. We just went up last week. Make sure to check that out if you haven't checked that yet. So recently during the Sephora VIB sale, I picked up a few items. These two palettes were some of the products that I picked. And I am in love with both of these palettes. The color combination, the eyeshadow quality, and everything is just amazing. I always loved Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes, and these are just no different. I'm just gonna quickly tell you guys what I think about this palette. I think the colors are so beautiful. There are some repeats from the Modern Renaissance palette. I own the Modern Renaissance palette as well, so I have doubles of those colors, but I don't really mind because there are a couple colors in this palette that I'm absolutely in love with, and these are the two colors that I used today. You will see me doing a tutorial, but I love these two colors, especially this bronze color right here. These two colors, sultry and bronze, are kind of same texture. Love those colors, love the texture. I don't have anything to complain about. I noticed the Prism palette have a little bit more kickback versus the Soft Glam palette. I wanted to do a full-on review on this palette, but I feel like I'll just create a tutorial, and maybe it might be a good idea to actually do a comparison between this one and the Modern Renaissance. Maybe I'll throw in the Prism palette in there too. But either way, let me know in the comments below if that's something you would want to watch. But anyways, I don't want to make this intro too long. Let's get started with the tutorial itself. Okay, so I already prepped and primed my eyes with the concealer, and then I'm taking the Soft Glam palette. The first color I'm picking up is the orange soda color on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this color right on the crease. This is going to act as the transition color. This is not too different from my lid color, but this is going to be great for the transition between the other colors to my crease. Now next I'm taking the color Mulberry from the palette, and I'm applying this color on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm applying this color by using a patting motion. This way the intensity of the color will be more, and then I'll be buffing it in. This is a beautiful reddish brown color and also very pigmented. That's why I'm applying a little bit at a time. I'm slowly blending this color from the outer corner to the inner corners of my eyes, and also blending it into the crease. Next, I'm taking the color Sienna from the palette. This will give the transition from the lid color to the crease a much smoother look, and since the Sienna color is a little bit lighter, I don't have to do too much blending to make the color have a nice transition. And then I'm going back to the orange soda color to make sure the edges are blended properly. I wanted to deepen my outer corner a little bit more, so I'm taking this black color Noir from the palette, and I'm slowly applying it towards the outer corner. I'm keeping this color very precisely on the outer corner, and then slowly buffing the color into the crease and towards the center of the eye. I wanted the transition between the black and the mulberry color very smooth, so I'm taking my time to blend the color out. I'm applying a very controlled and slow motion. And then I'm just taking the same brush I used to apply the Sienna and the mulberry color. Without taking any more product, I'm just brushing on top of the colors I previously placed to smooth out the edges. Now I'm taking some concealer on a flat synthetic brush, and I'm cutting my crease. I'm doing a half cut crease, and I love doing this step these days because this makes the eyeshadow pop a lot and also gives you a more precise line in the crease. Now I'm taking the color Sultry, and I'm placing it kind of towards the center right after the black color I just placed. I'm not going to take this color too far in my lid because I just wanted it to have a transition with the next color that I'm going to place in there. Now I'm taking the color Bronze from the palette and applying it towards the inner third of the eyelid. And I'm just using the same brush, and I'm patting the color on. Then I went in with my finger to apply this color. I noticed that you get a better payoff if you apply the color with your fingertip. Then I'm going back to the brush to blend out the edges. Now I'm going back to the mulberry color to deepen the outer corner a little bit more. I feel like this color faded away as we added more colors. Now for the brow bone, I'm taking the color Glistening and highlighting the brow bone with this color. And then I'm taking the color Fairy and applying it over the color Glistening in my brow bone. I went ahead and applied some liquid eyeliner and falsies off camera. Now let's get started with the face. I'm applying my foundation using the back of a brush. I'm just placing the foundation first. I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation in color Butterscotch. And then I'm blending it out with a beauty blender. For my concealer, I'm taking this Morphe concealer in color Custard and I'm applying it under my eye, and I'm also going to use this concealer to kind of highlight the rest of my face. And then I'm using a beauty blender to blend out the concealer. To set my concealer, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in medium and I'm applying this powder using a large eyeshadow brush under my eyes. Wherever I place the concealer, I'm setting the concealer using this powder. To contour my face, I'm taking this ColourPop contouring sticks in color Yikes. I will confirm that name down in the description box below as I can't remember on top of my head. And then I'm taking a dense face brush to blend out the contour. I noticed that this contouring stick is pretty creamy and thick, so you really need a dense brush to blend it out. I'm working in sections with this contour stick as this contour stick dries pretty fast. So it is really hard to blend out once it's dry. So that's why I'm working in sections. I do have a review on this product on my channel. I'll link the video down in the description box if you want to check that out. Then I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit and I'm just going over the cream contour that I placed earlier. I also like to contour around my cheekbones. I feel like it makes my cheekbone look more defined and also hides my double chin. For my blush, I'm taking this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and I'm applying this orangey golden brown color. This has a beautiful golden glow to it, and then on top of that I'm placing this pinky mauve color. For my highlighter, I'm taking this color Fairy from the eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it on the high points of my cheek. I love this golden glow. Now I'm getting started on my lower lash line. I'm taking the color Sienna from the palette and using a pencil brush, I'm just applying it on the entire lower lash line. And then with the same brush, I'm taking the color Mulberry and placing it on the outer corner of my lower lash line. To highlight my inner corners, I am applying the color Fairy and then I'm just taking a small e.l.f. brush to apply this color. Next, I'm taking this Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara. I'm applying this mascara on my lower lashes and also using this mascara to blend in my lashes with the falsies. And now I'm lining my lips with the Essence Soft Berry Lip Liner. I always like to fill in my lips with the lip liner as well. I feel like this way the lipstick that I put on top of it lasts longer and stay put much better than putting without the lip liner underneath. Now for my lipstick, I'm applying this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in color Airplane Mode, and on top of that I'm also applying the color K. I'm not sure if this color is still available or not, but any brown color in your collection would work on top of it, or you can just leave it as at this point. I feel like even this color goes pretty well with the eye look.
So that's it for today's video, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today actually I'm going out for a photo shoot with my son for Mother's Day, and I thought this was such a glam and beautiful look, so I'm absolutely in love with this look. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'll put all those links down below as well. I'll put all those down below in the description box. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.